And yes, ladies, guess who went from curly to straight without heat? Now, what does that mean? What exactly am I talking about here? Without heat. Well, Shima girls, what that means is that I did not fry my hair with a curling iron. It means that I did not burn my hair with a blow dryer. It means that I did not toast my hair with a flat iron. That's what I mean when I say no heat. No heat tools of any kind touched my hair in order for me to get it straight. Now, I use the roller setting method to straighten my hair instead. Now, do roller sets contain heat? No. Will rollers burn my hair? No. Therefore, a simple roller set is the healthiest and safest way to straighten our hair, ladies, as well as dry our hair. That's also the healthiest way to get our hair dry. Either we air dry or we use the roller set. Now, how long did it take me to put all these rollers in my head? I would say a little under an hour. I of course, have many years of experience with rollers, so I work them in pretty fast. And depending on the length of your hair, you'll probably be done in under an hour as well, ladies. So don't worry about it taking so long. Maybe even within 30 minutes, you'll be done. This is especially if your hair is shoulder length or shorter. And if your hair is shoulder length or shorter, it definitely should not take longer than 30 to 45 minutes max. So 30 to 45 minutes tops to roller set your hair if your hair length is shoulder length or shorter. Now, the first most important step in creating a successful roller set are the products you use beforehand. I use my Shima hair repair shampoo. Okay, that's what I'm gonna use first, which is the foundation for the soft, bouncy, healthy, naturally straightened hair you're about to see at the end of this video. Okay, ladies, and you'll also watch me as I periodically showcase my Shima products, like my Shima hair repair shampoo and my Shima oil, because these two products were like the two main Shima hair products that used to help me get the look. Okay, so there are only 4 simple steps I need you ladies to really pay attention to, and they are shampoo, leave-in conditioner, roller set, and Shima oil. Shampoo, leave-in conditioner, roller set, and Shima oil. So you're gonna use the Shima hair repair shampoo, use the leave-in conditioner, the Shima hair repair leave-in conditioner if you have it, or you can alternate it with one of your own. Then you're gonna proceed to roller set, and then after the hair is dry from the roller set, you're going to Shima oil your hair. Okay, so 4 steps: shampoo, leave-in conditioner, roller set, and Shima oil. So let's not forget these 4 important steps, Shima girl, so you can go from curly to straight successfully, just like Shima did. Okay, and do you see how I remove my rollers, Shima girls? Are you viewing how exactly I am removing my rollers? Are you checking out the technique I'm using? As I unsnap the rollers and begin to roll them down, I am also gently using the pads of my fingers to further manipulate my hair to get it straighter. I am gently pulling it down straight throughout the removal of the rollers process. And I want to share something really special with you ladies. I want us to take a look at my 7 top reasons to opt for a roller set. Here's number 1. A roller set promotes healthy ends. Here's number 2. A roller set provides an instant ready-to-go style. Number 3. A roller set provides bouncy, soft, gorgeous curls. Aren't these bouncy, soft, gorgeous curls, ladies? Number 4. A roller set allows us to go from curly to straight without heat. Number 5. If we're relaxed, a roller set allows us to stretch our relaxers even longer. Number 6, and if we're not relaxed, a roller set allows us to have straight hair without relaxing it or putting any kind of chemicals in our hair. And finally, number 7, a roller set allows us to enjoy more volume. At the end of the day, Shima girls, a simple roller set is going to give our straightened hair that extra edge, that extra volume and vitality. And not to mention the growth. Girls, yes, that fairy tale mythical hair length growth I'm talking about here. Remember, all of my Shima hair products cater to the specific needs of Afro textured hair. So whether you're relaxed or natural and you want longer hair, you will get it. If it's thicker hair you want, you will get it. If it's healthy hair you want, period, you will get it. So let's not miss out, ladies. Let's not miss out. Let's get our Shima hair products at shimagirlbeauty.com. That's shimagirlbeauty.com. And let's become a Shima girl today. So thank you, Shima girls. Thank you, ladies. I'll be back to do a brand new live with you ladies real soon. So yes, stay tuned. Stay tuned. It's exciting here on Shima Hair 21.